Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to undo move in chase.com. Open the chase.com application. Make sure you're in the game. Right now I'm in the game with a bot. Undoing the move especially works when you're playing against the bots, or you can also do it in the unrated games with your friends. Right now I'm going to show you how to do it whenever you're playing with the bots. You can also do it during the unrated daily games. Process is similar. Since that interface will not be recorded due to various reasons, I'm just going to show you while I play with the bots. So if you've made the move, what you can do is tap on the undo option that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you can see over here your last move will be taken back along with the bot's response. Like this, you can undo move in chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.